Let's create a save the date card with Studio. To jumpstart my design, I'm going to look through the templates section to see if there are any I can use as a starting point. Open the Templates tab. Navigate to the Invitation Templates section. Even though the subject doesn't match, let's use this baby shower design as a starting point. Click to add it to the canvas as a new design. Start by removing unwanted elements. You may need to unlock some components in the Layers panel. Then, let's edit the text. I like the layout and fonts, so simply need to customize the details in the text. Now we'll add some custom images. You can add your own photos or artwork, but uploading them to the Uploads panel. Let's mask the image using a graphic element. Then add a background from the Backgrounds panel. Scale it and rotate it to fit the canvas. Lastly, color match the text using the color picker to some elements in the background for visual consistency. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.